traveling turns you into a storyteller. Follow me to see the world and I will show you unique travel spots and share my top tips and recommendations of each place I've been to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we will be seeing a tour in Rome, Italy, which will highlight the plaza of Campo De Fiori as well as surrounding areas. But right before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that I can show you unique travel spots and share my top tips and recommendations with you. A lot of little bakery shops. This one is called Fornaio. They sell pizzas, breads, pastries. And this is all in the center of Rome. For people who like Nutella. Souvenir shops. This building is so beautiful. With the little white flowers. I love how there's so many little alleyways and they all lead to different parts. Some of them just lead back to like the same circle. Here's another wine store. There's a lot of them. Vini, which is wine in Italian. They sell a lot of the limoncellos. That one's with the cream, with the melon, and they have also white chocolate for all those who like white chocolate liquor. Look how beautiful these little houses, little balconies, apartments. This is the Italian military police. And this is actually a plaza for you guys to see the name. I'll put it up here. But this is actually a plaza where in the mornings they come and do a lot of they do a lot of shops, and they set up tents and they sell fruits, flowers, anything. Sometimes clothes. And in the afternoon they just open up the restaurants and people just come and hang out and walk around here. I may come in the morning just to see the different shops with the different food vendors and flowers and things like that, just to check it out. I can only imagine that people live in these apartments. Must be a little loud. If they live here, hearing all the noise that happens out here, but some people like that. There's a lot of Spanish music out here. We've gone to a lot of stores and they're playing the traditional Puerto Rican reggaeton. And I asked the people, oh, you speak Spanish? And they're like, no. And apparently they just like the music and they're playing all the Spanish music, but they don't understand what they're saying in the songs. But they just seem to like it out here. I love all the restaurants, the way they look with the little tables and the flowers. So pretty. This looks like it's a nice place to eat. I may eat here. If I do, I'll show you guys what the food looks like, what it tastes like. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a new travel video to share with you guys every week. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Thank you.